same old vacation routine? Wanting to spice up your beach holiday? Imagine waking up to the breathtaking Mediterranean views surrounded by luxury and tranquility. You can get this and more at Zel Mallorca. Zel Mallorca is a brand new collaboration between Melia Hotels and global tennis superstar Rafael Nadal. Here, every day feels like a dream vacation. This property, like most on the island, is open from March to November, with June and August being the busy, vibrant tourist season. Step into a world of effortless chic. This is the heart of Zel Mallorca, where contemporary design meets Balearic charm. When you first enter into this luxury beachfront property, you immediately feel at home. Everything from the color palette to the furniture selections, the decor is warm and inviting, and the staff is there ready to make your check-in process smooth. You have the option to either do a digital check-in, which is available to you through email, or you could be waited on in person and have your check-in done by a helpful member of the experience team. The property has 165 rooms and suites, which all display contemporary design filled with Mediterranean colors, textures, and shapes that are reminiscent of the sea. Imagine soft linens, private balconies with sea views that are all inspired by Nadal's love for the outdoors, and spa-like bathrooms that allow you to melt away your worries. Some fun and unique twists you'll find are record players in the rooms, rotary phones, reading nooks with books. And if you choose to take a book from the property, they have a lending library system where you can leave a book. So it's a nice exchange. There also is a big focus on being present in the moment and connecting. So oftentimes you'll find that their suites have the TVs hidden behind curtains. If you are the type that loves to indulge in your room and have all the comforts, the minibar is completely stocked, and calling it a minibar feels like a gross understatement because there are a large assortment of snacks, cocktails, teas, things that you would need to make your stay comfortable. Need to recharge under the sun? The infinity pool awaits. It has a full bar. You can overlook the sea views, sip a refreshing cocktail, soak up the sun, and simply lose yourself in the moment. And if you really want to unwind and rejuvenate, Zel Mallorca has a world-class spa where you can treat yourself to massages, facials, and other pampering treatments that are designed to restore the body and soul. If gym is life and you like to maintain the abs even when you're on vacation, Zel has a full state-of-the-art gym with free weights, exercise equipment, medicine balls, everything that you need to get a great workout in. And like the other Zel properties, Zel Mallorca has a yoga and Pilates studio where you could recenter, stretch, meditate, and flow. After that, you've probably worked up an appetite. Be sure to savor the taste of Mallorca at Beso Beach, Mallorca. That's the on-site restaurant where you can indulge in fresh local seafood, from succulent prawns to lobster tails to mussels, while enjoying the sand between your toes. Breakfast is also full-service buffet for hotel guests only, while lunch and dinner are open to hotel guests and the public, and there are DJ sets to really elevate your dining experience during lunch. And if you're more of the grab-and-go type of person, do not miss Cafe de Finca. It is the in-house cafe of the hotel, and when I tell you the cutest cafe that I've ever witnessed in a property, you do not want to miss their delectable pastries. They have artisan coffee, chai, and matcha. Looking for something fun and unique to bring back to your loved ones? Well, Zel really has thought of it all. They have a curated selection of local goods from merchants across Spain and beyond, and you can discover handcrafted jewelry, stylish home decor, and other perfect souvenirs while supporting local artisans and treating yourself. The hotel is very centrally located and perfect for exploring white sand beaches, calas, which Mallorca is very much known for, and has a bustling and fun nightlife. There's plenty to do within steps of the hotel. This exclusive hotel tour of Zel Mallorca was brought to you by me, Steph, your favorite licensed travel agent. I give you the deets on where to stay, eat, and play in some of the hottest destinations across the globe. So if you like this type of travel content, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out some of the other exclusive tours and vlogs to give you tips on how to live your best travel life.